Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a very healthy, simple and nutrient dense khichdi recipe which can be easily made by bachelors or PG hostel students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/4 cup of raw rice and 1/4 cup of tur dal. Add in some water and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the rice and the dal are nicely soaked. And now I'm going to wash and rinse this a couple of times and then I'm going to keep this on a strainer. Now to make khichdi, first I'm heating my pressure cooker, and once the pressure cooker is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. These days I prefer to use A2 desi ghee. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in 3/4 teaspoon of jeera, also known as cumin seed. So I'm just tilting the pressure cooker to help the jeera splutter in the desi ghee. Into that I'm adding in 3 to 4 whole red chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida or kayam in Malayalam. Just give this a mix. Add in half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Quickly give it a mix and then add in the strained rice and dal. And I'm adding in 2 cups of water into this. If you want a very runny khichdi, you can add in 1/4 cup of extra water. It actually depends upon how thick or runny you like your khichdi to be. So adjust water accordingly. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. And give this all a mix. Now close the cooker with its lid, and once the steam starts to come through the hob, place the weight on it. And once steam comes, reduce the flame to the lowest. Keep it on low flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes turn off the cooker. So after 5 minutes I have turned off the flame. After another 10 minutes you can open the cooker, or once the pressure has depressurized by itself you can open the cooker. So it's about 10 minutes now, and let's open the cooker. As you can see, the pressure has released by itself. So the khichdi is nicely cooked. This is the right consistency, though it will get slightly thick once it cools down. So I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Now to make this khichdi more nutrient dense, I'm sprinkling in about half a teaspoon of organic moringa powder. Now instead of moringa powder, you can also use a handful of fresh moringa leaves, chopped coriander leaves or curry leaves. The reason why I included moringa leaves in this recipe is that when you are living alone and self-cooking, moringa is also known as nature's multivitamin, and moringa may help to balance your nutritional profile. So try to include as much as greens in your khichdi. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense khichdi and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.